We at the India Exposition Mart are proudly flagging off the 2021 edition of the country's B2B Food and Hospitality Trade Show, India International Hospitality Expo.
Today I am here to be a participant in the different events happening at the IHE 2021. Though I am a dentist, but it's very fascinating to visit this culinary experience that is happening in Greater Noida at this time.
We're going to have some exciting panel members, industry leaders coming up, talking in the conferences, talking about future of hospitality. We have some amazing product on display over here.
Right now, I'm sitting in the Indian Hospitality Fair and I'm amazed to look at the response of the walk-ins in here. With all the precautions in place, people are walking in, coming in and appreciating the design and work put up by us.
We make products like furniture, flooring, wall paneling, ceiling options. Today, whatever you see around me is made completely from bamboo. It is 100% eco-friendly. I would like to thank IHE for organizing this wonderful fair.
So the best part working with us is it's a one-stop solution when it comes to the manufacturing part. We have our in-house design team which helps you out with the planning of the whole outer look and feel of your truck because obviously, as we say, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
I look forward to coming back every year. I've already encouraged the rest of our team to come back here, and thank you everyone for hosting one of the most brilliant hospitality shows I've seen. Thanks again.
Today HACC is doing a show at the IHE, which is finally doing a physical show maybe after 2 years, and I would like to thank Mr. Rakesh ji for this opportunity. And the response is really good. It's a thumbs up.
Moreover, experience here is a very nice exploration for us, getting in touch with the new ideas, new mindsets, and having a exposure of getting to know the clients, getting to know what all people want, their needs. So it's a very nice exposure for us, for our brand.
It is the very first time we are participating in the IHE 2021, and the response is quite well as going on the pandemic. So here we are represent our industrial equipments, which are generally we are manufacturing for the hotels, hospitals and the commercial laundries.
This is a beautiful show which is curated by Mr. Kumar 4 years back, and everybody is very happy to see this thing. It's a beautiful show, and as a president of the PPFI, we have organized a B2B meet, PPI B2 meet with all the exhibitors who are here. We wanted to give the value to the people who have exhibited their products. It's a win-win situation for both of us, for the exhibitors, at the same time for us. We will be able to know the new products which has been launched here, and we can use it in our hotel also.
today I got an opportunity to maybe spend a few hours in this IHE expo which is being held today, and I'm amazed at the kind of products which is on display there, and I'm also happy that after a long gap such a physical fair has been organized. So I would like to thank the organizers as well as the exhibitors and everyone who has visited this. It has been a wonderful experience for me actually, because many of the products which is on display perhaps I haven't seen anywhere, and maybe only in some kind of 5-star hotels and all, but this is very wonderful.
The kind of crowd, the kind of people that I have experienced in my session is just outstanding. The students, the mentors, the chefs, the equipment, the best in this world is coming under one banner.
Facilitates a lot of innovation because you get to see not only the traditional stuff, but you also get to experience some of the new things like food trucks today, which is such a big thing, and there's some great innovation happening in our industry, and I think it's just forums like this which are able to showcase the creativity of our industry overall and pull the industry together, continue to lift our standards broadly. So I remain pretty optimistic that these kind of shows will do better and better as we get out of the pandemic and continue to facilitate growth for our industry overall.
Amazingly, my visitors have really shown a lot of interest, and we have real buyers coming now, B2B, because the hotels, the restaurants which were shut, which were ready to get constructed and completed, they were on hold for last 1.5–2 months. They've all started. I'm very happy that the response is amazing, and people our exhibitors are also very happy to receive that response.
I'm sure this is the first exhibition which is in reality happening since the pandemic started, and somebody has to be the first mover in this, and which is really remarkable for IHE. Even it is small in size, that one can understand why it is, but it is professionally done and it has the same experience as maybe the large one has.
I was here to attend one of the panel discussions on craft spirits at the Spirits Forum, and I also took the opportunity to move around and see what the exhibition is all about. And to my surprise, this is probably one of the finest and well curated expo on hospitality. It has a blend of everything, right from the suppliers to people who are key players as professionals, right from chefs to bartenders to restaurant owners to hoteliers. Everybody is right there, and under one platform you have everything that you need.
3 cheers to IHE for putting this together. It's been a phenomenal show. I've been walking through the alleys. It's so well made. The infrastructure is phenomenal. The choice of suppliers, the produce, the infrastructure that has been visible here. It's an overall industry show.
Here I am with the food and beverages boss, Mr. Sanjay Khullar, whose food we've been eating since years and years in Delhi. Seasons, the best. And here's my partner, my brother, Sachin. That's why I'm here, because of Sara Board. We always come to this expo because it really gives us lots and lots of business. We have the most brilliant wooden homes that India can ever produce, make, And this one right here is a small little example of it.
We wanted to know this fair of this IHE 2021 was a great success, and I'm so happy that being a physical show and a lot of good customers have come and a great response. So I must congratulate the IHE team, especially Mr. Rakesh Kumar ji, for doing such a wonderful event.
I would like to congratulate the IHE team first of all for doing such a remarkable job. And at our stand at Freshponics, we've really had such a good response. We were busy like all 3 days, and a lot of tastings and a lot of curiosity from people for this new products, which is a hydroponic grown vegetables and fruits. Overall, I would say that it is a good beginning for the trade fair industry, for the hospitality industry.
We have been invited in IHE fair. Post-COVID, this fair is absolutely needed because the people would like to venture out and industry has a standstill point till today. Being a founder member of PHA and part of Bangalore International Airport and associated with hospitality, this fair brings in various type of hospitality professionals under one roof. And the experience, what we get over here is overwhelming.
It's a great learning platform for everyone, even a professional chef like me. When we come here, we learn a lot of things. We meet so many old friends and interact with the new generation. So they're doing a fantastic work in bridging the young and the old generation together and showcasing their talent, our talent to everyone. So I feel really excited whenever I'm here, and they're doing a fantastic job.
There are not just exhibition, it is the culinary shows, the forums, the panels that are happening, great talks, and I wish IHE all the best in future too.
What we are taking back from here is that world is all ours if we stay as we want to be, and we can, with the pandemic, what we have been talking about, things have been gone down. But no, it is coming back, and I think the world is coming back to normal soon.
Hospitality is changing gears. Hospitality is moving in different directions now. And post-COVID, I think a lot of students are very low in their morale that, oh my God, what is going to happen to us? Hey, listen, nothing is going to happen to you. It's just a 2-year break. Take it at that, but learn, because that's what is going to take you forward.
I definitely look forward to the masterclass, which is based on the sustainability and what is available in India. Actually, COVID has taught us whatever is available within your country, you must use it. And there is a plethora of ingredients which are available with us. So happy cooking and good times.
And there are so many solutions I found today which I never saw under a roof. All kind of solutions are there for our industry. Really surprised that it's a good response over here, and a lot of people are coming from all over the country.
This is one of the best expo in the country
which can be compared with any world-class expo because of one or two reasons. One is that it's B2B, right? So that's one. And participation is fantastic, I would say, that whether it's food and beverage or it's from rooms or equipment, etc. Everything put together, I think it's a great platform under one roof.
IHE finally took this step, and I think it was a bold step, no doubts about it. And it was an amazing event that happened this year. We were all waiting for it, when it will happen and when what is the kind of response. And of course, there was a lot of nervousness around it as well. But I think the way it has come out and look at the number of people again following COVID protocols and stuff like that, it's amazing.
India is ready to do big physical shows. Thank you so much. Welcome to the next 2 days of IHE 2021.
It was a wonderful experience for us to meet a lot of exhibitors over here. We have been seeing and participated in Indian Culinary Forum, chefs competition as well. So overall the experience like IHE has given to us, it's marvelous.
I have been awarded today the India Hospitality Expo Architect of the Year Award, and I would like to thank IHE and IEML for honouring me and bestowing me with this grace, with this Architect of the Year Award for 2021.
My heartiest congratulations to the organisers, Mr. Hari Dadu, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, for putting together a forum where all the hospitality professionals are finally able to get out and meet in person and are able to interact and enjoy the benefits of such a brilliant exhibition which stands to benefit pretty much everybody in the hospitality industry.
सबसे अच्छी बात इस IHE की ये होती है कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ इंडिया से नहीं बल्कि विदेशों से भी कंपनीज आती हैं, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करती हैं और बहुत कुछ कहते हैं ना कि कल्चर मिलता है और कल्चर बढ़ता है, तो वैसे ही इंडस्ट्री आगे बढ़ रही है।
मैं समझता हूँ जितना हमारा एग्जीबिटर है सब बहुत खुश है, सबको बहुत अच्छे से बिजनेस मिल रहा है। जो विजिटर हमारा आ रहा है उसको अच्छे क्वालिटी के प्रोडक्ट्स मिल रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छी रेंज देखने को मिल रही है।
This show is a big opportunity for every kind of exhibitor, every manufacturer or supplier. So हम भी बहुत एक्साइटेड रहते हैं हर साल हर बार की तरह और इस बार भी हैं।
I had a very good time here because I actually got to interact with a lot of people from Pan India. It was just not Delhi. I met a lot of people from all over the states. I met quite a bit architects and interior designers as well as consultants. So I think it was a good experience and I would actually want to now venture out and go for more exhibitions. It's actually given me a lot of scope and made me realize there's much more there.